Welcome to Hey Jen Podcast. Today, we're diving into the sizzling world of outdoor cooking. From smart pellet grills to portable griddle tables, there's so much to explore. Let's fire it up.
Absolutely. I've been hearing a lot about Camp Chef's new grills. What's the buzz all about?
Oh, they have this amazing Woodwind series of pellet grills. The Woodwind 36, for example, is a stainless steel beast with Wi-Fi connectivity.
Wait, Wi-Fi on a grill? Is that really
Yeah.
necessary?
Well, think about it. You can control the grill from your phone, adjust temperatures, monitor your cook, all without hovering over the grill. It's like bringing grilling into the smart home era.
I guess that could be handy. But do people actually use it?
According to customers, yes. One user said the Camp Chef app is solid and will alert even if the phone isn't connected to Wi-Fi.
Interesting.
So it seems it's more than just a gimmick.
All right, you've convinced me. So what else makes the Woodwind grills stand out?
They've got this slide and grill feature.
Oh, what's
It's
that?
a function that allows for direct flame grilling. So you can smoke your meats low and slow, then sear them to perfection.
That sounds versatile. But how's the build quality?
Customers are raving about it. They describe it as excellent for a non-commercial smoker.
That's reassuring.
And the stainless steel construction means it's built to last.
Nice. But I've heard some folks have issues with temperature control. Any truth to that?
Well, some users mention that temperatures can fluctuate if you have a higher smoke setting. But overall, the PID controller keeps things pretty consistent.
Good to know. What about assembly? Is it a pain?
A few people found it a bit involved. One user said it was a little more involved than the Traeger I previously had. But
So
once
not the
it's set up,
easiest.
it's smooth sailing.
Fair enough. Now, I've heard about the Woodwind Pro models. What's new there?
The Woodwind Pro 36 comes with the Sidekick accessory.
Sidekick?
Yeah, it's like having a built-in flat-top griddle or sear box on the side.
Oh, so you can grill pancakes and sear steaks at the same time?
Exactly. The Sidekick flat top is perfect for breakfast, while the Sidekick sear lets you cook at high temperatures for that perfect crust.
That's versatile. Any differences in price?
Yes, the Pro models are pricier. The Woodwind Pro 36 with Sidekick sear is around $1,199,999.
Yikes.
But many users say it's worth the extra cost.
Well, quality does come at a price.
Indeed. And the smoke number feature is pretty cool too.
What's that?
It's an adjustable setting that lets you control the smoke output. Increase it for more smoke flavor or decrease for tighter temperature control.
That's handy for those who like to fine-tune their cooking.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about the EUTRK grill table. It's a portable, foldable table designed for griddles. It even has wheels and a condiments caddy.
That sounds really practical. Is it sturdy?
Yep, customers say it's plenty strong enough and can hold up to 300 pounds.
Impressive.
So it's not flimsy by any means.
Portability is key for outdoor cooking. Does it fold up nicely?
It does. The foldable design and wheels make it perfect for camping or tailgating.
Great.
And it provides extra workspace and storage.
Always a plus. Now, what about accessories? Any good kits to recommend?
Definitely. The Vallejo Griddle Accessories Kit is a 36-piece set that's getting great reviews. Yeah,
36
it
pieces?
includes everything from spatulas to a basting cover.
That's a lot of gear. Are people happy with it?
For the most part, yes. Customers describe the tools as excellent quality and well-made. Though,
Good to hear.
one user did mention the shakers could be better quality.
There's always room for improvement.
True. But overall, it's considered a must-have if you have a Blackstone griddle.
Sounds like it adds a lot of value.
Absolutely. It's like equipping your kitchen with the right tools. Makes
Yeah.
cooking more enjoyable.
I can see that. So, any downsides to any of these products?
Well, some users of the grills mentioned pellet feed issues, having to push pellets to avoid running dry.
Oh, that's
and a few
inconvenient.
had issues with the lid insulation.
So not perfect, but manageable?
Exactly. No product is without flaws, but the overall feedback is positive.
That's encouraging. I might have to invest in one of these.
Same here. There's just something about outdoor cooking that brings people together.
Definitely.
It's more than just food. It's an experience.
Couldn't agree more. So, when's the next barbecue?
How about this weekend? We can put some of this gear to the test.
Count
Let's
me
make it
in.
happen.